Hi guys, it's your girl Wendy, and this is Wendy with the I. I am back with another HelloFresh meal. This meal was so good. I say that every time because HelloFresh meals are pretty delicious. But this meal is called turkey ragu spaghetti with zucchini and parmesan. For this one, you actually need one of those. I don't know what it's called. I guess a box grater. Yeah, that's what it's called on the directions. But you need a box grater to actually, if you want the zucchini to be in noodle form. I did not have that. You'll see later in the video. So I just cut up the zucchini, and it still turned out delicious. So it cooks the same either way. But if you wanted to make it just as it looks on the picture, then you'll need a box grater for your zucchini. This was 5-minute prep time, 20-minute cook time, and the calories actually state 840, but I actually was able to separate this meal into 4. And so I actually, if you cut that in half, that's what my actual calorie per meal was. So it was 420, not 840. So I thought that was really cool. And I was really, because it's noodles, it did fill me up. So just a note on this one, because all of my meals actually were 2 per serving. This you could actually just cut it up into 4 servings. So that was good. That was something good about this meal. Again, loved it. Amazing. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy me making this meal. It did take a little longer than 20 minutes, but that's because, again, I was recording. So just keep that in mind. It was a pretty quick meal. All of my meals were pretty quick. So after this one, I have one more meal left, and I probably will make it this week. I'm not sure, but I'm excited to try it because it looks delicious like all of them do. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.